How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. In this episode I have this Honda Odyssey and I'm changing the high pressure power steering line. The only difficult part is gonna be the end, which is down there. You're gonna need a 14mm wrench to get to it, and the only way to get to it is gonna be from here. So I have this 14, which is small, and I have this one that's a little bit larger. You're gonna have to go from here. Once you reach over there, you're gonna have to pull really hard. You don't have room for it. Is the only difficult part of this job will be getting loose that end. In here is two 10mm. You have to remove these two. Down there is a sensor. Sensor is gonna be attached to it. Just go underneath, unplug the sensor, because you're gonna need to plug the sensor on this end. And this is the one that I tried to remove. And it's really hard to see from here because I don't have too much light. You need to get a long range. This one is short, you don't have a lot of leverage. That's the only difficult part on this job. I jack up the car, so there is two 10mm bolts holding the line, so I had to remove those two 10s. 17mm. If you have one wrench that is too fat, it's not gonna fit in here. So 17, make sure it's skinny. If it's not skinny, you can grind the edges so it can fit right here. So you can remove this sensor. Now the kit came with the new gasket. Change that gasket. With new none. Transfer the sensor to the new line. Tighten them up. Make sure it's tight. I have new gasket in here, so I just gotta put the line under and then start working from here all the way down. Okay, so now I gotta go underneath, put those two little 10mm, connect the sensor, plug it in on that side, and fill out my reservoir. If you see right there, that's where you attach the power steering line. So I just gotta use my wrench, go little by little because you don't have room in there. Everything else is attached to it. We have everything down there. The sensor is connected down there. I just have to finish that line, and you go from here, from top, and then fill out your power steering fluid, start the car, make sure that you don't have bubbles on the system, turn your wheel lock to lock, and this should be done. Okay, so fluid is in. You just need to start the car and check underneath for leaks. But this job is pretty simple. You just have to take your time, go underneath, remove the 2 bolts, remove it from the sensor. The only difficult part is gonna be that hose, really hard to reach. So this is a 2007 Honda Odyssey. That's how you replace the high pressure power steering line. If you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.